Hi guys, today I would like to show you some one of the interesting camera. Just listen to bot. Guess what it is? Actually, it's a Agfa Ambi Silette interchangeable lens rangefinder camera. It's made between 1957 to 1961. So this camera, it can attach to 35mm, 50mm, or 90mm lens. On the top, you can see there's a switch for the frames when you attach it to the different lens. So you just slide the things to the right lens, and you can see inside the viewfinder the frame changes. As the rangefinder camera with interchangeable lens, we usually think about Leica, Nikon, and Canon, or Zeiss. But interesting, Agfa made one of those kind of camera. I don't think the quality can compare to Leica, but it's not too bad. Actually, the viewfinder is very nice and clear. And this camera have the lift shutter. The speed is from B 1 second all the way to 1/500th. There's a cover, protect the rangefinder. It should have a tag here, but the tag is missing. So when you wind up the film, the things pop up, so you can see the viewfinder, use the rangefinder. And the slow shutter speed on this camera is not working too good, since didn't use for a long time, maybe 40, 30 some years. And the faster speed is still fairly accurate. So it comes with a standard 50 2A lens made by Agfa, and the lens is still in pretty good shape. And when you attach to the lens to the camera, you can see there's a red dot, and there's a red dot on the lens too. So you basically just match it up and trace it, and you hear the click. So here's the lens release button. You want to change lens, you push down and take it off. Let's try put it back on again. Okay. Other than that, the operation basically is very similar to other rangefinders. I believe the lens looks like made of some of aluminum, so kind of soft. Maybe I'm wrong. The back is open. There's a latch here. Push down, you can open up, and you can see the leaf shutter. The wind up film and the rewind film. So, but anyway, it's a kind of interesting camera. Thanks for watching.